Hmm. I woke up few minutes back. Time is somewhere around 7:45. Huh? So yesterday I gave details that let these people work, use the content, but the production will be always blackmailed for nudes. Huh? So look, what these people got to do with nudes? Where it happened? Bombay, right? Mumbai. Who are the suspects? The problem is solved long back. The suspects are no other than the court papers. They are the one who does this stuff, who has started this stuff and put everyone into this mess and made everyone's life miserable. And those are from Chembur West. Their names are already there. So if the production is ever fucked up because of that nudes or anything, look, everyone has those nudes. And if the production is getting fucked, the names are right there in the court papers. Who are the sex video makers and the drive changes and the land server scammers? Look, this is if this is a territory matter, huh? If this is a territory matter, then you have to be on your territory. Suspect are from the west, are from the Chembur side. You have nothing to do with that. And if you speak about race, there are different race in the court petition. Not once, because I said I am not racist. I gave exactly whatever it is. Whatever it is, I gave exactly. I didn't play any race game. So yes, the surprise, whenever anyone is bothered with any nudes, uh, in the court papers, the sex video makers' names are there. And it's not a racist thing, because I am not a racist. There are multiple races in that stuff, in those court papers. Look, now as I speak, someone over there comes by the window, so I have to put in this towel. Okay. I have to do this. So, this is not a race thing. I think this way. If I would have been a racist, why multiple race people names are there? Those are the real suspects who started this racket, this extortion racket. Huh? And if this is the territory matter, then this territory wins the moment any sex video pop-ups. The suspect are right there on the court papers. What do you got to lose? Unless someone from here is getting hurt. Who is getting hurt? If those scammers are getting, the Chembur West scammers are getting fucked, who is getting hurt? Those are Handuri people. No matter what their race is, they work for Handore. Get this part. And for my personal shit, the hidden camera thing, what they must be doing? My practice, the Jean-Claude Van Damme thing. Come on, dude, I have to learn some moves. I gotta hit the club someday. I have no moves. My belly is quite stiff. So I gotta do that. I got to practice that, and I also hit on rock shows and what do you call it? Travel a lot. So I'm a fucking artist. Can't you get this? So I practice a lot of rock music, songs and stuff. So if anyone is doing that hidden bug thing or anything, whatever they are doing. So I'm a fucking artist. I've been doing this from years. I practice, I go out, I perform. I write, I would take experience first, right? Then go out and shoot. No? That's my life. That I'm an artist. Okay, I get pencil paper. I make sketches, portraits. Where did I ever had time to learn tech? Never had. John Wick killed a guy with a pencil, with a fucking pencil. Huh? Huh? And I want everyone to be happy. This is a surprise for everyone. This is a good news to everyone that stop being blue. And I waited for 24 hours because I want everyone to know that how it feels when someone is attached to someone's nudity. How it feels. From past 2 years, I'm not. I don't bother. I don't give a fuck. I would have rode my bike naked if anyone would have said, "Are you feeling shy?" I'll go on the highway, fucking naked on a bike ride. But I need a good bike. This is moped now. My bike has been taken by my sister's fiance. Huh? Uh, I'm not get scared of this shit. I think this nudity and all. Huh? They can fuck themselves up, scare someone else. If I would have been scared guy, scared fellow, I would have not called them out. Come, make my sex videos. And police was like, see if you get lucky. Eh? I'm not afraid of those nudity. And come on, dude, I gotta hit the club someday and I have to learn some moves. And the Jean Claude Van Damme moves, so exactly those are athlete moves. Avoid the split. And uh, mm, and what more? Ah, the rock show, rock thing. Of course, I have to practice. I have to. Uh, I travel, right? I travel. I hit on shows. Anytime I have to enter stages. What can I do? So that's my life here, and that's what everyone is after. That I shouldn't do my thing. Why wouldn't I? Why shouldn't I? Just because they know the tech and they know how to make nudes. Huh? And I am giving escape to everyone that I always knew the production was going to get fucked because of nudes. Many people will try to blackmail, but their names are right there in the petition, the court papers, and with the police department as well. Their names are right there. Who started this ruckus? They are from Chembur, not from here. The Chembur scammers. So if this is a territory matter, then this territory got saved, right? This territory got saved. Fuck those bastards. Who are they of you? You shouldn't give a fuck about them. Those are the bastards who started this mess. And what do you call it? Brought this disaster to every place where I went. Pune, Goa, here. Me, if you say I don't speak with anyone, they contact, speak, and do this shit. What I gotta do? What I gotta do? No? So everyone take care. This is your one of the weapon. One weapon was I gave all the weapons basically. So soon this shit gets over. So have fun. This extortion racket names are right there in those court papers. You got nothing to do with anyone. Huh? And the one who wants to save those people, so those are your rats. and it's not a race game. Have fun.